double ampersand. Now the echo message. So see, this is the echo request, this is the echo reply. So let us see this echo request. In that one you should take IP protocol, this is your IP protocol, and answer these questions. Select this echo message sent by your computer and expand the internet packet part. What is the IP address of your computer? So my IP address of the computer is the source IP address 172.1.15.213. Similarly, it will be given here somewhere, I think, the IP address. This is my source IP address. Okay, so that is my IP address. Within the IP packet header, what is the value of upper layer protocol field? Now here, within this one, what is the value of upper protocol field? Where is the upper protocol? Upper protocol is ICMP. Okay, 1. So that you have to tell ICMP 1. How many bytes are in the IP header? So IP header bytes, header is, total length is 84, header length is 20 bytes. So you should answer 20 bytes for header. How many bytes are in the payload? Payload is equal to total bytes minus header is, so 84 minus 20 is your 64 bytes of the message. How many bytes are in the payload? Okay, how you have determined the payload? You need to tell this is the total length 84 minus header 20 is your payload size. Okay. Then has this IP datagram been fragmented? You see here flags are there. So do not fragment is set means it has not fragmented. Correct? And there are no fragments also given here. So it is not fragmented. You need to explain that because it is set. Which field of IP datagram will change from one datagram to the next datagram within the series of ICMP message? So you should expand this message and you should check which is varying. This fields, checksum may be varying, I think. So you just compare that and answer which is varying, which is not varying. Which fields are constant, you should tell that. Now for fragmentation, you should do the ping command -s 2000. Okay, it's transmitting this 2000 bytes of the data to this one. That is what is the command, correct? Packet size is ping, this one minus is 2000. Okay, has the message been fragmented? Now we should see the message echo request, echo reply. Now how will I know? See here, don't fragment is not set. Okay, means it is a fragment. So many messages have come. So somewhere it is mbit also, maybe more fragment maybe there. So this is the first echo message. So it is not it is fragmented, but there are no fragments, only one fragment. So this is the fragment of say 1480. 1480 means how many fragments are there, that will answer. Okay, it is fragmented now. Has the message been fragmented? Yes, it is fragmented. Now write the first fragment of the fragmented IP datagram. So first fragment here, it will be clearly given. Not ICMP here. We should clearly say that. So destination. Fragment offset is this one. 1480 means this is not a first fragment. Right? you should say that one. I think if I switch off and on again, I'll have the clarity which is for what. Here is fragment, do not fragment, it is fragmented, but no reply anywhere, correct? No replies, I'm not getting any reply, you see here. So that's why I'm not getting that information. So what I'll do, I'll close this, close without 7. Make my trip I am leaving. Still it is not translated. But why? Google.com. Should translate. How many requests is there? It is fragmenting, but how many fragments are there? How will I know here? Here only it will be there actually that how many fragmented messages it is sending. No reply, so it is not giving it. Oh, two IPv4 fragments are there. You see here. 2 IPv4 fragments are there, which is of 2008 bytes. And this is first and this is second. So this is the answer for that. First segment of the fragmented datagram. So this is your first segment details. You should write this detail. This is the second segment detail. Okay. Fragment count is 2 here. Okay. Indicate whether this is the first segment or not. So that will be indicated by your offset field. If your offset is 0, you see here offset is 0 to 149. So this is your first segment. This is 1480 to 2008. So this is your second segment. Okay. So you need to answer that whether it is first and second. What information the IP header indicates that this is not a first segment, your offset. Okay. Are there any more fragments? So it will be indicated with the more field. More fragment bit will be indicating whether there are any more here flags are there. No? So more fragment will indicate whether there are more fragments are there or not. Okay. What field changed the IP header between first and second? So you observe that first and second, this frame, this is the frame. And this is second frame, and check that what are the fields are changed in this message in ICMP. Okay. So you need to tell that what fields are changing in the IP header first and second fragment. So here it will be here also clearly somewhere it was there actually. that what is the message it is transmitting. All are ping, 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 equal, equal. Correct? Everywhere only 2 frames are there. 0, 2. So this is your frame number is changed here. Payload bytes have changed. So you need to explain what is changed between these two fragments. Okay. These are your ICMP. Okay. Each and every question you have to show when the examiner is coming near to you. And fast. You cannot take your own time. Okay. And close.